Now we will learn how to print a spreadsheet. Google Sheet offers a range of customizable printing options to make your spreadsheet look polished and professional. To print, press Ctrl P or Command P if you're using Mac, or go to File, then select Print. You have a bunch of options right here. Paper size. You can select your desired paper size. You have page orientation option, landscape or portrait, scale, margins. You can also customize numbers. Custom page breaks, formatting, headers and footers. Custom page breaks, enable it. Then, edit. Now select where you want the page to break. Let's say I want the page break after 15th row. Drag it down. Then click Confirm Breaks. And you can see your page breaks after 15th row. Then formatting, headers and footers. Select page numbers and you can see 1 and 2. Click Next. Then click Print and your spreadsheet is printed.